In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text over an image on your homepage using Pagefly. This is a quick process, but it ensures your site looks professional and engaging, giving visitors a seamless experience the moment they land on your homepage. Let's dive into it step by step. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your browser and head over to Shopify. Once you're on the Shopify website, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will allow you to access your store's backend and make the necessary customizations. After logging in, navigate to the Pagefly editor. On the left menu, you will see a section labeled Elements. Click on it to expand the Pagefly tab. Then select Layout from this menu. This section provides various design components you can use to customize your page. Now, you'll want to drag and drop a blank section, or perhaps a layout that suits your design needs, like a one-column section, right onto your canvas. This will serve as the foundation for your image and text overlay. Once it's on your canvas, go ahead and select the section element you just added to start customizing it. Next, move to the right-hand inspector panel and click on the Styling tab. Here, you'll find an option for a background image. Select this option to open up choices for adding imagery to your section. Choose the image you want as your background from the available options. You can adjust a variety of settings like image position and size to make sure it fits perfectly within your design. Returning to the Elements section under the Pagefly tab, you now have the opportunity to enhance your image with text. You can drag a heading, paragraph, or button element from the element catalog right onto your background image section. This is where your creativity can really shine. Input the text you want your visitors to see first, and be sure to style it to match the overall aesthetic of your site. Consider the font size, color, and weight to ensure it stands out against your background image but remains easy to read. Once you've got your text in place, head back to the Styling tab and adjust the padding for this section. Padding will help you control the space between your text and the edge of the section, allowing for a nice, clean look without any overcrowding. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Click the Save button to ensure all your changes are stored, and your altered section will be live for everyone to see. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added text over an image on your homepage using Pagefly. This simple yet impactful customization could make all the difference in creating an inviting and visually appealing online storefront. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.